Viewers, thank you for joining us in this class. Here we are finding the value of x from this equation, and here we can rewrite this as 2 raised to power x, then times 2 raised to power minus 1 when we separate these two, then plus also this one 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power minus 2, then this one as well plus 2 raised to power x times 2 raised to power minus 3, then equals to 448. Then also we can rewrite here as, because we have a negative power here, don't forget that when we have something of the form a raised to power minus 1, we can write it as 1 over a. So therefore we can write this one also as that form. So we can now have 2 raised to power x divided by 2 now, then plus 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 2, also plus 2 raised to power x divided by 2 raised to power 3, which is equals to 448. And also from here we can see that 2 raised to power x is common up, so we can take it out. When we take that out, we have 2 raised to power x, then what's left here is 1 over 2, also plus what left here is 1 over 2 raised to power 2, so I can just say that's 1 over 4, because 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then plus what left here is 1 over 2 raised to power 3, which is 1 over 8, so which is equals to 448. So from here I can bring what is inside this bracket together as 1, so I have 2 raised to power x into bracket. SCM here is 8. 2 goes in 8, that's 4 times 1, that's 4. Plus 4 goes in 8, that's 2 times 1, that's 2. Plus 8 goes in 8, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Then equals to 448. And from here we can see that here we become 2 raised to power x times, this is 7 up, then over 8. So equals to 448. And from here we can delete this 7 over 8 here by multiplying with reciprocal of 7 over 8. That is, when we have 7 over 8, to delete it, we multiply by 8 over 7, so that 8 will cancel it, 7 will cancel 7. So therefore, what I do to one side, I do it on the other side to balance it. So multiply both sides by 8 over 7 now. I have 2 raised to power x times 7 over 8, then times 8 over 7, so as to delete this. Then equals to, on this side as well, 448 will be multiplied by the same thing, that's 8 over 7. And on this side we can now see that here this one will have gone like this. So we have 2 raised to power x left, then equals to 3584 divided by 7 when we multiply that, and which is equals to 2 raised to power x now equals to 512 when we divide that. Then from here we can see that this can be expressed in base 2 as well. So we now have 2 raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 9. Therefore our x equals to 9. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of our videos. See you in the next class, and bye for now.